This is not good. In fact, this is very bad. Where did I go wrong? Hey guys, it's Jasmine and we're back with another recipe swap. You know that I love exploring different cultures all around the world, and this month is Latinx Heritage Month. So I'm inviting my friend Yvonne. You might have seen him over on Paralike doing some hilarious skits, some awesome dance moves, and sharing his Puerto Rican culture. Today, he's prepared one of his favorite childhood recipes with me. And last time you guys wanted to see something a little more comparable. So I did my research and I think I found something pretty similar. Let's go do the recipe reveals. Yvonne, good morning. Are you ready for this?
I'm hungry and excited, ready to cook, and we're gonna kill it today, whatever it is.
I hope so. What did you pick for me?
So you know, as a Puerto Rican born and raised in the island, I love breakfast. One of our most popular items for breakfast is the Mallorca bread, which is like this sweet bread, and it's kind of like made in a swirly way, and it just looks so fluffy, and then they put powdered sugar in my mouth, just waters just thinking about it. And then we cut it and we add cheese, ham, you can add eggs if you want, and it's so good.
All right, so for you, I've chosen something extremely comparable. This is a Monte Cristo sandwich. And it is a variation of the French recipe, croque monsieur, but the Monte Cristo itself is indeed from the US.
Okay, that sounds fancy. That sounds like a type of sandwich you get at like a fancy bakery cafe with your latte.
It's also made famous by Disneyland. So if you go to the Blue Bayou, you'll see a Monte Cristo. It's like one of their most popular items. And I don't know about you, but I freaking love Disneyland. It's similar to the Mallorca, but not exactly the same. It is a fried ham and cheese sandwich topped with powdered sugar. So you will get that sweet and savory as well. But I know the Mallorca isn't fried, right?
The Mallorca isn't fried, but I'm so ready for this deep fried sandwich.
Shall we get to cooking?
Let's get cooking, let's do it.
All right, then I will call you after we're done cooking.
Okay, and good luck with your Mallorca from scratch. Let me know how that's going.
I'm sure it'll be fine, thank you. I'm not the best at making bread. This is why I have a bread maker. Takes long, it's very particular, very specific. I'm kind of like a throw in what feels right kind of person. Scalding the milk. Wow, this is scalding pretty quickly actually. 105, 181. Okay, let's take it out. We have to let this cool to 110.
I have a feeling that this sandwich is gonna taste extremely delicious, but it's gonna be dangerous because I wanna keep making it every weekend. And I don't think it's the most healthy type of sandwich you could eat out there. Half a cup. Ooh la la. 1/4 tablespoon. I never understand like these like 1/4 and halves of tablespoons, but I'm gonna wing it. So hopefully something like this. And just a little bit for good luck. Baking powder, 1 full tablespoon, right? That's what it says? Oof, that's a lot. Okay, that's one. Boom, one. Before we add the liquids, sifting. Sifting. I wonder how Jasmine's doing. Hey, over there on the other side.
All right, the milk has cooled to 110, so now we are ready for the next steps. So here's the milk, yeast, pinch of the granulated sugar, and then 1 3/4 cups of the bread flour. Okay, this is so wet. Am I doing this right? Oh God, I stopped working out. I can feel it, I'm sweating. Oh, my wrist. Now what? We're gonna let this rise for 1 hour.
And now we add water and a beaten egg. Oh, we gotta mix that first. Ooh, did you get that? Let's whisk it a little. I don't know if you need to whisk it first, but I whisked it a little bit. This is 1, and then I got 1/3 of water. Flour mixture over here. Whee! This is fun. Okay, now we're gonna mix all together. Mix it all together, and you know you got the best of both worlds. Mallorca sandwich and Monte Cristo. This is looking so good.
So we are going to cream together the butter, sugar, and salt. The eggs will come later. Now we decrease the speed and add in our eggs one by one. And add in half of my remaining flour. I'm just gonna eyeball it, so if I mess up later, we can go back to this part of the video and we'll see what What went wrong?
All right, so now it's time to make the sandwiches. We're gonna start with the bread. You see it over here. Do we put a lot of turkey? A little bit of turkey? Ahí está, a lot of turkey. Okay, so then Swiss cheese, boom. Then ham, then ham. I wanna be generous with the meat, so I'm gonna put 2 slices, like just fold it like that. And then you know what, I'm gonna add another cheese. Because why not, okay? Cut sandwich into quarters using toothpicks to hold sandwich together. Do I have toothpicks? I don't got toothpicks, but I got pincho picks, kebab picks. Kind of like cut them in pieces. Let's do that. Okay, so now we're gonna stick these sticks, and these will be easier to pull out. Oh, this is my way of cooking, okay? It's a mess, but then it tastes delicious.
This is the dough that I was, wow. It like doubled in size, adding in the rest of the flour. Dough cook. All right, we're gonna transfer this dough to a lightly greased sheet pan and spread it into an even layer. That looks pretty even to me. I'm gonna cover this up. And it says to put it in the fridge to chill for an hour to 24 hours. Today I'm gonna go with 1 hour. BRB.
So now let's dip this fully. Oh, wow. I don't know if I'm ready, but we will go for it. There it goes. So now it has to fry for about 3 minutes, and then maybe I'll have to flip it, but we'll see.
I transferred my chilled dough onto my counter. Gonna lightly flour it. And we have to, oh, it's so sticky, you guys. I really don't know if I'm doing this right. I would say that this is about 1/4 inch thick. My roller is not big enough. All right, I think this should be good. I think this looks about right. Now we're gonna cut it into 12 1-inch wide strips with a pastry cutter, which I don't have, so I will be using a knife. These are not gonna be uniform. Cut to the most perfect 1-inch strips. She says to now roll them like a cigar. Is this even how you roll a cigar? This is not gonna be good. Oh my God, I'm kind of freaking out. This is not good. In fact, this is very bad. Where did I go wrong?
I'm just gonna eyeball it, so if I mess up later, we can go back to this part of the video and we'll see what went wrong.
I actually need to make these smaller because now I understand why they asked for toothpicks and not kebab picks. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually like put them like crossed like this so that the stick is kind of hidden. Flip that over. Oh, that's looking good, guys. Oh my God, you know what? I guess I can start with the rest. Now I can actually fully dip in both sides like this. Hot oil. Oh yeah. Oh, that's more like it. Oh, wow.
Okay, my dough didn't look anywhere near correct. So I took all the dough, I added a little bit more flour, and now it looks exactly like hers. So I think I definitely just was measuring incorrectly before.
I'm just gonna eyeball it.
So now I'm gonna roll it up. It's a lot better. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. These look so much better. Okay, let's finish rolling all of these up. I have all my Mallorcas. Not very even, but you know what? We've come a long way. From a sticky, unworkable dough to my beautiful mound of Mallorcas. We're gonna let them proof for an hour, and then we will apply an egg wash and get to baking. Yum! We have come so far, you guys. I really thought I wasn't gonna make it. I thought I was gonna disappoint Ivan and be a disgrace to his family. All right, we finished giving these babies an egg wash. Time to pop them. Put them in an oven. Time to pop them in an oven. Time to pop them in an oven. Time to pop them in a. Let's pop them in the oven.
I'm gonna start prepping my plate, which I grabbed the 4 prettiest looking sandwiches over here. And then what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna add some powdered sugar, and then I'm gonna place them uno aquí, uno acá, uno aquí, y uno acá.
The Mallorca's finished baking. I have let them cool for 15 minutes and now we're almost done. Time to apply the sugar glaze. I'm not gonna go too heavy because it's already gonna be topped with some sugar. Final step, time to sift the powdered sugar on to the Mallorcas. Ooh, look how pretty they are. I'm just so proud of myself. It's been a long day.
Beautiful. Ahí está. Ahora, lo que falta es el blackberry preserves jelly. This right here. And this is gonna be like a dip. So we're not gonna put it on top. We're gonna put it in a little plate on the side and then I can dip it if I want to. If I don't want to, it's okay. I'm gonna put it on the side like so. And that's it. It's ready to be served, ready to be tasted, ready to be enjoyed.
Let's pick one of them up and then we're gonna assemble the sandwich. We're just gonna cut one in half like this and then place in our few slices of ham and some cheese. I think we're done. I'm super excited to try this. I love sweet and savory, so let's go call Yvonne. Hey Yvonne!
Hey Jasmine, how's it going?
You know what, I'm happy that I made it out of there.
Was it a struggle? I have a feeling that you were kind of struggling, but I don't blame you if you were because that was hard doing it from scratch.
I told you, I make bread with my bread maker. I don't like making bread from scratch because it's so hard. How did it go for you?
It was good. Like, it was, I feel like accomplished. It looks pretty. I can't wait to try it.
Before you even try it, do you think it's similar to Mallorca?
It definitely looks similar. The only difference, the Mallorca is not deep fried in batter. This is. Oh, and the powdered sugar on top, which looks beautiful, by the way. It makes everything look so much just more professional. And I got the blackberry jelly on the side. I'm ready.
Look at mine. Do you want to see mine?
Yes, please. Oh my God. Oh, what? Wait, that looks legit though.
That's it?
I can't believe you did that from scratch. I'm actually jealous that I'm not trying that.
Well, now I have 12 rolls, so maybe I'll stop by later. You ready to try it?
Shall we just dig in?
Yes.
Mmm.
Is it good?
What?
Yeah?
Oh my God, this is delicious. Oh.
Does it taste anything like a Mallorca?
It definitely tastes like a Mallorca. I feel like Mallorca is already so puffy. And then the powdered sugar makes it sweet, but also this one's deep fried.
Okay, you know what? While you dig in, I'm gonna dig in too then.
Cheers to bread.
To bread. Mmm.
Okay, so how's the bread? Tell me.
This is freaking amazing.
That looks legit. I'm so proud of you, honestly. Like,
so good.
Like you could legit sell them and everyone would buy them because it's so hard. Like I've never seen like Mallorca bread here in California. So
oh really?
That's the first time. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna start my own business. Actually, never mind. People
now
I'm
you
gonna
know.
get canceled. I like that even though it is like, it has a good amount of sugar on there, it's not overpowering. Because I feel like if people were to see this, they'd be like, why are you putting so much sugar? But actually this is the perfect complement to the sandwich.
This tastes like a beignet, but with ham and cheese stuffed inside.
That description is so good.
Well, thank you so much for having me, Jasmine, and like challenging me. This was amazing. This is definitely a new recipe that I had no idea that existed, but I'm so glad that I know how to make now.
Totally, super cool to see how different foods overlap in different cultures and vary from country to country. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Alrighty, I'll see you soon.
All right, I'll see you soon and enjoy your Mallorca.
You too, bye.
Bye.